That looks dangerous there, Larry. What is that?
This is going to do the smoke test. This is a needlepoint ionizer here, and this is a RF antenna that creates 60% negative and 40% positive ionization. Just like lightning, if we can create negative and positive charges and send it through every room in a house, it'll make all the dust in the air gather together, get heavy.
Oh dear. Do I need to back up from that?
No.
Okay.
What we're going to do is we're going to put a drop of mineral oil in there.
Mineral oil, okay.
And this will heat the mineral oil up and it'll create smoke. And smoke is just like dust. You can't grab smoke or dust with your hands and carry it outside. But if we can put negative and positive charges on solid smoke, then it'll gather together and it'll get heavy and it'll fall out of the air. Just like if you've ever seen a shaft of sunlight coming in a window late in the afternoon, you see little particles that are floating in the air.
Yeah.
The American College of Allergists and the American Lung Association tell us that 98.5% of all the particles that are in a home or in an office are 1 micron or smaller. And they're so small that they'll never settle out of the air. If what you see in a shaft of sunlight is 3 microns, anything 3 microns or smaller won't settle out of the air. So you can try to grab that dust and it'll just go through your hands. And I can remember as a child trying to do that. I saw that floating in the air and I said, "What is that?" And I tried to grab it. So you can't grab dust or air and make air go anywhere.
Oh yeah, so
right, can you see the smoke pretty good?
I sure can.
Okay.
So you're just creating some smoke in there.
Okay, now we're going to cut the heater off and we're going to cut on this antenna right here, which is the ion. Okay, there's no fan in there, but you can see the particles are clumping together and they're settling out of the air. Then we're going to cut on the needlepoint ionizer and it zaps the solid matter out of the air.
So is this a machine that you would put in your home, or this is just showing us?
These two parts are inside the PureAir 3000.
Oh, I see.
So this is a demonstration of what's on the inside of the PureAir 3000. So this air purifier duplicates sunlight and it will remove 80% of the dust out of a person's home, off your tables, off your ceiling fan, off your floor, your counters. And the byproduct of this machine is pure oxygen. Pure oxygen. I had a medical doctor that I demonstrated this for, and I told him the byproduct was pure oxygen, so he immediately went and got a portable pulse oxygen machine, put it on his finger. He tested his blood ox. It was 0.92. We ran it wide open for 5 minutes, and he repeated the test, and his blood oxygen elevated 2 percentage points from 92 to 94. So I don't know if you can see the UV light up in there. There's a UV light at the back. Yeah, you can see that.
Yeah.
That UV light has a honeycomb grid of titanium dioxide. So UV rays of A, B, and C react with titanium dioxide and it creates an abundance of hydrogen peroxide. And what does peroxide do? It sterilizes surfaces. It was actually tested by Dr. James Marsden at Kansas State University in 2004 and 2005, and they proved this technology reduced Staphylococcus, Streptococcus, MRSA, Bacilla, and black mold by 99.8% in 24 hours.
Just with this machine?
Just with this machine.
Huh. That's some kind of machine.
This machine runs off about 60 watts of electricity. So according to South Carolina Electric and Gas, that's about 8 cents a day in electrical cost.